I would like to show you an example of my favorite way to do factoring of trinomials, trinomial polynomials. So this is a case of having a trinomial such as x squared minus 5x, make that a minus 24. The method I want to show you is a favorite method of mine because it helps you do a lot of avoiding of writing something you think it might be, finding out it's not right, and then xing it out and trying another pair of binomials. So if this is going to be a trinomial that you can factor, it's going to be in such a way that you have two binomials, each in its own parentheses, such that when you multiply this times this, you get an x squared. When you multiply this times this, you'll get a negative 24. And when you do the outside and inside, you'll get a minus 5x. The way I like to do it is, since this is obviously going to be 1x times a 1x, the 24 is going to be a pair of numbers. I call them factor pairs of 24. So we start off with the smallest number that can factor into 24, 1 times 24, and we go through the list. 2 times 12 will give you 24. 3 times 8 will give you 24. 4 times 6 will give you 24. 5 times, well, 5 doesn't go into 24. And 6, you've already got it in your list up there. It's going to have to be a 6 times 4. Now, when you do the outside-inside, because this is a negative, one has to be a positive, one has to be a negative. And so what we are looking for is the factor pairs of 24 that will give you a difference of 5. So here's a difference of 23, 10, 5, and 2. So 3 and 8 are going to be the numbers that we use here, and it doesn't matter if they're reversed. Now, when you do 3 times 8, you're going to get 24. One has to be positive, one has to be negative to give you a negative 24. You need more negatives, x's, than positive x's. And so if I put a minus 8 here and a plus 3 there, I'll get the minus 8x plus 3x. Now, this is a guess and check method. After you think you have the right combination in the parentheses, check it by using FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. So the check, and you can do it mentally once you get good at this, x times x is x squared. The outside is minus 8x. The inside is minus 3x. And a positive 3 times a negative 8 is a negative 24. That's a positive 3x. Sorry for making so many mistakes. X squared minus 8x plus 3x is minus 5x minus 24. And you see that when I multiply this, I get that, which means that this is a good factoring of this trinomial. Okay? When we get other numbers, I will expand this method, and I will show you that in another video. Thank you.